How to fix wants and MMS messages on Moto G77. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on mobile data and turn off mobile data. Turn on or turn off mobile data 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps and click on messages app. After click on messages app, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option and click on reset network setting. After click on reset network setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix want and MMS messages on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.